Grapco Tooling presents Custom Welding in Mississauga. Welding is a fabrication process that uses to join similar metal materials. A welding machine provides the required energy source for welding. There are many various welding techniques available. The most common techniques that we use are gas tungsten arc welding (GTAW) and gas metal arc welding (GMAW). These two techniques are most often referred to as tungsten inert gas (TIG) and metal inert gas (MIG). Grapco Tooling is found in Mississauga, Ontario, and focuses on custom welding services. We are recognized for our top quality of service and consistent achievement of customer satisfaction. We can handle an outsized sort of needs in steel, aluminum, chrome steel, and cast. The importance of custom welding. We take excellent care of our equipment and follow all the right safety procedures. We hold ourselves to the very best standards. You would like efficient, attractive products that function appropriately, and that we can deliver for you. We have provided our services across many industries like machine shops, millwork, architecture, security, and more. You'll see our years of experience reflected in our work.